Jolly jumping jelly bean Jupiter! Did you know that Jupiter is 11 times bigger than the Earth? It has orange, white, yellow, and red lines. The middle is hotter than the surface of the sun. It has 50 known moons. It is the fifth planet from the sun. One Jupiter year equals almost 12 Earth years. Jupiter and the Big Bad Robot by Hannah.
Mission Mars. Did you know I have volcanoes on the surface? It takes 687 days, 24 hours to go around the sun. It is the fourth planet from the sun. It has 2 moons. Core is solid iron. It has a volcano and canyon. Alien in Space by Hilly.
Super stupendous Saturn. Did you know Saturn's rings are made out of ice? Saturn has 53 moons. It has rings around it. It takes Saturn 365 days to go around the sun. Saturn is tannish brownish. It is the 6th planet. Saturn moves 500 miles per hour. Sometimes Saturn has storms. Aliens in Space by Tegan.
Awesome mission, Neptune. Did you know these facts about Neptune? Neptune's ring has 13 moons. One gives Neptune its gases. Neptune is made of gases. Some gases give Neptune its blue color. Neptune has 13 moons. Its biggest moon is Triton. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun in our solar system. It revolves around the sun and takes 165 Earth years to go around the sun. Robot Invasion by Xavier.
Our planet Earth. We live on Earth. Blue and green. Iron and nickel in the core. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to rotate around the sun. It is the 3rd planet from the sun. Robot Alien Killer by Billy. Nappy Neptune. How many moons do I have? Neptune is blue, icy, and gas. Center is solid core of rock, and middle. Has 13 moons. The largest moon is Triton, the 8th planet from the sun. Takes 165 Earth years to go around the sun. Robot in Space by Keenan.
Wrote all about Saturn. How many moons does Saturn have? Saturn has 25 moons. A Saturn year takes almost 30 Earth years. Saturn has 7 rings. It is the 6th planet from the sun. It is the 2nd biggest planet in the solar system. Robot in Space by Tyler.
Jumping jelly bean Jupiter. Did you know Jupiter can fit all the planets inside of it? Jupiter has stripes. Jupiter has a core inside of it. Jupiter has 60 moons. 4 moons are named Io, Ganymede, Cassio, and Europa. Jupiter is the 5th planet away from the sun. Jupiter is fast, but it takes 10 Earth hours for a day on Jupiter. Jupiter is big and it can fit all the planets. Robot in Space by Colin. Puppy Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet made of rock and ice, 1,422 miles wide. 3 moons. Sidra, Charon, Nex, and Hydra. 9th planet from Sun. It takes 248 years to go around the sun. It is a dwarf planet. Robot in Space by Anthony.
Me Mars. Robot chased by Cooper. Did you know Mars is right next to our planet? It is red and white. Two tiny moons that look like asteroids. Crust metal and iron and solid iron. Right next to our planet. 687 days to round the sun, and it takes 24 hours and 37 minutes to rotate. Making Mars. Did you know that Mars has 2 moons? Mars is orange. Mars's crust is made of rock and dirt. Mars has only 2 moons. Mars is the 4th planet. Mars goes around the solar system for 2 years. Runaway Robot by Dylan.
Awesome, Uranus. I have 27 moons, 11 rings, 7th planet in the solar system, 27 moons, blue planet. The moons have names, like Ariel and Miranda. It takes 84 Earth years to go around the sun. Cooper, Emily, and Me in Space by Ella.
Very interesting, Phoenix. What is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus is the brightest planet. Its core is made of iron. Phoenix has no moons. It takes 225 Earth days to orbit the sun. Phoenix is the second planet from the sun. Road Robot in Space by Dries.
Mysterious Mercury. Did you know Mercury is the smallest planet? It is the smallest planet. It is gray. It has no moon. Inside is rock and minerals. Orbits around the sun in 88 days. First planet closest to the sun. The first person to study it was called Giovanni. Alien Family with Robot by Catherine. Super Uranus! Here are some unusual facts about Uranus. One day in Uranus is about 17 Earth hours. Uranus has at least 11 rings. It looks like a donut. It looks pale blue. The temperature is minus 357. You could fit about 63 Earths inside of Uranus. A core of Uranus is ice and rock. Uranus has at least 27 moons. It is the 7th planet from the sun. Robot in Space by Kylie.
Pluto, not the dog. I'm the planet that was declassified. Pluto's core is made of rock and metal. Did you know that it takes 248 years to go around the sun? Pluto is the 9th planet in the solar system. Pluto has 3 moons. They are called Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Devil in Space by Taylor.
Perfect planet Pluto. Did you know you would never make it to your first birthday? Dwarf planet. 1 day equals 6 days, 9 hours, and 17 minutes on Earth. 1 year equal to 248 years on Earth. Black and yellow, made of rock and ice, lies beyond Neptune, 9th planet from the sun, 3 moons, Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Taylor, Hannah, and I in Space by Sophia. Yippee, Uranus! How many moons does Uranus have? Uranus has 27 moons. It looks like a white egg. It is the 7th planet from the sun. It takes 84 years to go around the sun. It has a liquid center. It has 13 known rings around it. Uranus Attack by Lucas.
Sirius Saturn. Did you know that it takes Saturn 30 Earth years to go around the sun? Yes, it does take 30 Earth years to go around the sun. 10,759 Earth days, which is 30 Earth years. Saturn has 53 moons. Saturn is 6th planet from the sun. Inside Saturn is fast-moving gases. Saturn has stripes, gas clouds, and yellow and gold lines. It
it is not the only planet with rings. Robot is attacking an alien by Samantha.